As soon as Fatima heard that Sephora had done some favorites bags and had them new and up and ready on the website, she jumped on in. She was ready with her credit card. So now we have the Vacay All Day bag. Let's see what came. There are 4 full-size items in this bag. And the first one is from Rare Beauty. And it is a blush. That is what it looks like. It does have a mirror. And this is in the shade. What shade is this? Nearly neutral. So this will be much lighter in person than what it's showing up in here. This looks nice. Yes, very nice. From By Mario, we have a lip gloss, a super shine lip gloss in the shade Rosewater. I'm excited about this shade. It's pink, yet it's neutral. So it should go with lip products or a variety of skin tones. I think they made a good choice on this one. I want to try it. It would go well with me. Yes, it does go well with a camel. This is from Glossier. It is a mango balm. And I took a sniff. It smells heavenly. Oh, yes. Yeah, I took a sniff too, and she's right. It is wonderful. Glossier MangoBalm.com Universal Sauve, and it says use on lips, on cuticles, on elbows, on your friends. I guess you just walk up to your friend and smack them with some. That could be interesting. This smells nice. I think I will be using this a lot. Me too. Me too. Yes, you too. From Merit, we have, they call it Day Glow. So I think this is supposed to be a cross between a highlighter and a contour or a bronzing stick. Looks very nice. Of the 4 full-size items, Anne has decided on her top 2. I would say I would pick the Glossier and the Mario product. How about you? What did you see that you liked? Let us know down below. Did you get this? I want to know all the details because I am a nosy camel. And now moving right along with this video. There are 5 sample size or deluxe sample size items in here. We have something from Patrick Ta. It is a body oil. That is what it looks like. I have a lot of body oils, so I'm probably going to put this in the Find a Future home box yet. Nice size, nice glass bottle. And I'm sure that when it goes on, it's not necessarily that intense of a color. Yet, like I said, I have a lot, so we're going to share this one. This is Patrick Ta, and it is Major Glow Bronzing Body Oil. We got a sunscreen from Innisfree. And I've taken a little sniff. It's got a safety seal, but I think it's got a tropical scent. What surprised me with this is the SPF value is 36. Not 30, not 35, not 40, 36. I've never seen a 36. Have you? But I'm excited to get this, and I'm excited to try it out, and I'm holding it up to the ring light, and it looks like it's full, if not to the top, at least darn close. From YSL, we have Lash Clash. I think I've tried this mascara before. I think if I recall correctly, YSL has a fat brush kind of like a caterpillar. That's not my usual preference. So this one, I think I'm just going to leave it sealed up and pass this one on as well. But still, this is an exciting bag of products. The Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray has made its way into the bag. You see this in a lot of bags. Again, this is not my favorite preference, so I'm going to pass it along. Not a problem. From Way, we have a hair and body mist in the scent St. Bart's. And I took a sniff and oh, heavenly. Yes, very tropical. I'm excited about this one. And decided that in this half the box, she likes the Way body and hair spray and the SPF in 36. That just kind of cracked me up that I'd never seen SPF 36. What did you like? Let me know. And now Anne wants to take a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Fatima is holding the bag that everything came in, and it was a $48 cost with a $121 value. Shipping was free. We did have to pay tax, so $51 and change. I'd say it was a great little pouch, a little bag. And oh, we must not forget the free samples. Oh, we must not. We must not. And as we said, there were 4 full-size items, 9 items total. And apparently that package or that pouch is compostable. Hey, that's something I haven't seen before. Yeah, pretty neat idea. And we did get a couple free samples. From Vegamore, we have something called Grow. It is a shampoo and a conditioner. I always like it when they give us both shampoo and conditioner together. And based on filling these pouches, there is enough conditioner that I'll probably get 3 or 4 uses and enough shampoo that I will get 2 or 3 uses out of it. So interesting to try this out. I'm not sure about the scent on this. I'm not even familiar with this brand, so I might even look it up before I open it just to be sure it's a scent that I would like to try. But hey, this was offered in free samples, so I picked it out. And Miss Fatima also picked out something from Tatcha. Oh yes, this is the Indigo Cleansing Balm. It's a small container, but that's okay. I think it's, yes, 1.5 grams, so it's 0.05 of an ounce. Hey, it's enough to, if anything, at least get a sniff at the scent and see if we like the scent. And maybe try it. If there's not enough for the face, cleanse your hands with it. Although I will say, I am finding lately that for makeup removal, I like a cleansing balm better than I do a liquid or a soap-like cleanser. So I am curious to try out Tatcha the Indigo Cleansing Balm. Thanks for watching today. Did anyone else out there get this? Comment down below. I want to know, because I'm a nosy camel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. We're trying to build up this channel and keep it running. Yes, we want more subscribers that are interested in our shopping adventures. We do hope to see you and a friend in another video. Bye-bye.